Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the watch is responsive and has a small amount of charge. You don't want interruptions mid-process. Once done, close any running apps so the system can shut down cleanly, and then find the physical power button or rotating crown. You press and hold as required. Different brands use different timings, so pay attention to the screen feedback. This first action initiates the shutdown sequence and avoids forcing a restart later. Now you execute the actual shutdown. Press and hold the button for the usual 2 to 5 seconds until power options appear, because brief taps often only wake or sleep the watch. Once the menu is visible, tap power off and then confirm if the interface asks. This tells the OS to close services and unmount storage safely. Make sure to select power off rather than restart if you want the device fully off. If touch is unresponsive, continue holding. Finish by observing the screen and indicators. A truly powered-off watch will show no glow, LED, or haptic pulses. If the menu failed or the watch froze, force a shutdown by holding the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. This bypasses the software menu and cuts power. If that still does not work, place the watch on its charger for a few minutes and then retry the normal shutdown sequence. This often restores enough power or responsiveness to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.